It's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Potomac beads of April 2025. If you're not familiar with that, it's the treasure box, and let me show you here. It's the treasure box Violet Meadow. That's what we're looking at today. And it says, dive into a world of endless creativity with this month's box. Enjoy the new Azuki Seed Bead 11-0 collection. Oh, that sounds pretty. Offering rich hues of opaque mauve color options. For added luxury, adorn your designs with Potomac Crystal Rose motifs. They're faceted, sparkle catching the light in every direction, elevating your creation to a whole new level of brilliance. Pair these beads with a new color of bead tech knotting cord, whether you're designing for a special occasion or a daily statement. This combination of new materials will inspire you. And then on there we have all of the beads. So let me make sure you guys are down a little closer. I think I put the camera up too high. That's a little better now. Okay, so if you're not familiar, this box priced monthly is $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 a year. So that's actually your best bet doing that. But let's see what we have this month. Oh, it's always so much fun getting these boxes. Oh, I love these. These are so pretty. Look at all these goodies. Ooh. Like I say, Christmas come early. The drop beads. Wow. And they're gorgeous pearls every month. Potomac pearls, they're always a gift. Protective coating, a laser coating. Oh, the round jewel beads. I love these. Oh my gosh. Where are the last earrings that I made with them? I know they're around here somewhere. Hold on, let me see if I have them. Nope, I don't. I thought I did here. And then we've got this bead tech knotting cord. Oh, that's a pretty color. Oh, look at these. Oh, a nice little stash of seed beads. Ooh, they look like 11-0s. I don't know if there's any 15-0s. They look like 11-0s. Oh, I love this. And then you got these really pretty, they look like saucer bicones, and then these gorgeous beads. Oh, this is really pretty. Let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna start with, this is a free gift from them. The Storm Duo Mardi Gras mix, a free gift. Now, I don't know if it's in every box or not, but it was in ours. There's, oh, these are pretty. Yeah, these are really pretty. I like the colors, and I love the Storm Duos. They're so much fun. They have that little wave in them. Okay, so we have that, and I would think they're in every box, which is very nice of them because they already give you so many beautiful things. Okay, so I have that. So first off, we have Potomac Crystal Rose motifs, and let me get these out. And it says these are color shift Sphinx package of 24. So if you're not familiar with these, when you turn them over, they have going both ways. They have an X on the back, so you could have them going both ways. So you could do them like in the middle of like patchwork, or you know, whatever you're working on. So you could do some really cool things with these. So they have different colors and everything. So I'm showing you the back and the front. So yeah, so these are really pretty. These, you can have a lot of fun with these. Okay. Okay, and number 2. Okay, this is like a blast. I'm so excited to work with these. I don't know if anything is going to come falling out. Look at this. There's 12 different, look at these. Oh, this is going to be fun. This is going to be a lot of fun. Look at these. Oh, these three together, these four together, and then add a little bit of that. These are gorgeous. Oh, so excited to work with these. Okay, and next, Bead Tech knotting cord. This is so pretty. You can see the color in there. It's beige. So this is really pretty. And next is Fire Agate Faceted Round 15-inch in mixed color. I'm gonna make sure these don't come flying out. Sometimes they're not all on a string. Make sure they are. Okay. Nope. See, sometimes they fall. Let me see. I think they're falling from this side. Okay. I will leave those down there and I will pick them up. So look at how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. This is beach to me. Even though it's called Violet Meadow, I was just at the beach a couple days ago. And these with that beautiful turquoisey blue, that says beach to me. So I'm going to put these in there. And then pick those up, put those in there. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And next, the Czech glass tile beads, turquoise travertine, 16 millimeter. I like to keep them in their bag so that I have what it says. These are really pretty. These got some weight to them. If you're using these on the earrings, I wouldn't use more than one of these. But these are really pretty. You just can make yourself a bracelet with this little tile bracelet, even though there's only one hole in them. So pretty. Okay, and next, the gorgeous Potomac pearls, lavender, 6 millimeter. I love getting a collection of their pearls every month. I'm gonna make sure these don't go flying out. Okay. Look at how pretty these are. Oh. Love this. Does it say how long this is? Oh, 16-inch strand. These would be pretty. I used, when I was making my daughter's jewelry for her wedding, I ended up making the bridesmaid jewelry, and I used some of the Potomac pearls in their necklace and earrings, and they were so pretty. But their pearls are always gorgeous. Okay, and next, Athena Cast Charms, outline of peace sign in silver. Oh, these are pretty. Absolutely love them. They're the same on both sides. And they're thick. They're very sturdy. They're not like a filigree or anything. Not that filigree's bad. Love filigree too. Okay. And next, oh, speaking of filigree, Athena Cast Bead Caps Filigree Flower Design 4 millimeter premium antique brass plated. A package of 50. So this is them, this little floral. Love that. So cute. Okay. And next, oh, these are so much fun. Turquoise Picasso 5 millimeter round duo beads. Oh, I love these. They give us either the round duos or the round trios. But these are so fun. Look at how pretty. Look at that color on them. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's almost like a metallic silver almost. Turquoise Picasso. I'm sold. And there's 2 holes in each one. So when you're, you know, if you're doing bead weaving, you get to really hold this bead in place. Don't want any runaway beads. Okay. And next, Potomac Crystal Rounds 3mm Amethyst AB. Oh, gorgeous. Let me put these in here. Look at these. Look at how pretty those are. Oh, so gorgeous. And that sparkle. She's going like this. You can see all the sparkle in them. Oh, love these. And they're faceted too. So that gives them even more sparkle. And next, a Czech heart bead 6mm Ruby Vega pack of 20. Okay, oh, these are gorgeous. Then there's a little piece of paper there. Oh, look at these. These are, I'm gonna put these in the white. Look at these, look how pretty they are. They have like an AB finish on them almost. Ruby Vega. So gorgeous. Oh, some beautiful things we can create this month with these. Okay. And next is Czech Mint Leaf Beads package of 6. And the hole goes through the bead like this. So it goes from top to bottom. You can use these as really cute charms too, on dangle bracelets and all kinds of goodies. They're the same on both sides. Very pretty. They're kind of like a mat. Okay. And next, I love these Czech glass cathedral beads. I love these because they have that little, the way they have the rings on the top. I don't know if you can see them. They're so pretty. They've got like etching on them and stuff. And then it's like kind of like a faceted smooth right in the middle. So pretty. Oh, no. Oh, here it is. Like, no runaway beads. A couple of bead boxes ago, one of them went flying on the floor. And the next is Czech glass rondelle beads, 5 by 8mm. These are just a nice, pretty, like a violet. And the holes are always so nice in these beads. Okay. And next is Czech drop beads in white blue luster, pack of 25. Okay, let's get this going. Ooh, look at that. And the hole is on the top. So these would dangle down. Very pretty. Oh, there's still a couple in there. White blue luster. That's a beautiful thing. And next is a laser cut bookmark. It says Bead Tech laser cut wood flower bookmark. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. You can see that. And this is the card for it. Laser cut, exclusive Potomac design from wood, leather, or acrylic. Wood designs are lightweight and sustainable. Protective coating can be removed to reveal the beautiful wood, acrylic, or leather material beneath. So, that's really pretty. So, I'm just blown away by this month again. Oh my gosh, this is like Christmas right here to me. These beads. Oh, look at those frosty pink. Oh, I love that. Get these colors. Oh, I can't wait to bust this open. Ta-da! Okay. So, let me know down in the comments what you thought of these beads. I'm so excited to be working with Potomac beads. I've been with them for, I think, 2 years now, and they never disappoint me. So I will leave a link to their website below in the description, as well as links to my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest if you'd like to follow me on there. And I'm on TikTok as well. I just started posting on there again, having some fun with those videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. And if you could give me a thumbs up and give me a comment, I would really love it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.